Hi, you'll be a really strong trader if you listen to what I have to say today. This is Fix Profit, a channel about innovative trading. In my work, I am helped by an efficient AI robot that follows the markets and indicators. It gives advice that helps me to act wiser. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who do not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a fee. If you have any questions, write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. I will be glad to your subscription, likes and comments. Click on the bell to not miss the important. So, I'm going to start work. $franc, 5-minute expiration time. AI recommendation is sell. I hit the red button on the broker. 4 indicators in the report from the bot indicate a slight bias towards sellers. The periodicity of data update in the robot is 1 minute. Based on historical data, I see sideways movement. The bulls were stronger in some moments, but if you look at the whole period of an hour, the bears gradually lowered the price within the corridor. By the way, now I am preparing a cool course on technical analysis for you. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience. It is not financial advice. I show how I do it. The foundation of consistent trading lies in 2 simple rules. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade, and always manage position size relative to account value. If you have $500, your per trade risk should be $5 to $10. With $1,000, that risk rises to $10 to $20. Stick to this rule without exception. Survival matters more than winning a single payoff. Controlled risk gives you the runway to build real edge. Traders who ignore this truth burn through accounts fast. Discipline keeps you in the game. Picture a stormy sea. Position size is your lifeboat. Without it, you're tossed by every wave. With it, you ride through turbulence. Account balance is not your score, it's your lifeline. Trade with structural respect for your capital, not just for the thrill. Risking $1 on a $100 account and earning 80 cents per winning trade is solid. Risking $10 on a $1,000 account yields $8 per win. Same skill, same setup, bigger output. That's leverage through discipline, not reckless risk. It's the difference between a hobby and scaling to a serious bottom line. Remember Rocky's training montage? He didn't win Rocky 1 by chance. He obtained strength through iteration, failing daily in those steps, rising every time. Think about how Thomas Edison iterated thousands of filament ideas before one stick. Think about J.K. Rowling, rejected multiple times before Harry Potter became a cultural phenomenon. Every iconic success started from controlled, measured effort over time. You don't have to endure that alone. Our AI signal assistant reads currency pair charts and indicator setups, flags patterns, and takes emotion out of entries. No drama, just data. Right now it's completely free. In 30 days, it becomes paid. If you're serious about leveling up your consistency, click the link below and test it today. So, I've finalized the first deal. You see the result on the screen, folks. Now I'm going to change the currency pair to show the flexibility of the bot's thinking. I'll work with the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. 5 minutes. The investment is 1%. The signal from Fix Profit is an active sell. 7 indicators speak about good prospects for sellers in the next 5 minutes. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, link below the video. So, I'm seeing bearish volume growth on the chart, very serious growth in the past few minutes. I think price will bounce off the resistance zone and bearish momentum will improve our position. Friends, I want to say again that we are helping with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. I've seen traders quit corporate careers after months of disciplined trade planning and risk control. They started as side hustlers, followed a framework, tracked every setup, and grew steadily until their income matched and exceeded their other job. No overnight fortune, just persistent, calculated progress. Let's be direct. Trading carries real risk. It isn't gambling, but it's not risk-free. It resembles starting a restaurant or launching a product. You accept risk, but you manage it. In business, risk without a plan equals failure. In trading, risk control equals survival and eventual success. Highlight daily support and resistance zones. Watch RSI divergences for early reversal signals. Use MACD crossovers for confirmation, not invention. Observe volume spikes, they confirm breakout strength. Journal every trade. Entry rationale, emotion, outcome. Review weekly. Mistakes vanish when learning replaces repetition. Comment below with details. Which indicators or setups have you mastered? How do you handle trending versus ranging markets? What journaling method keeps you disciplined? Your shared insight helps grow the whole community, and I personally read every comment. If this video gave you structural insight, hit like. Subscribe for focused guidance, no gimmicks, no fluff. Together, we'll build real trading habits that scale. When the chart turns red, remember, Kobe Bryant lost 300 shots in one game. Serena Williams lost as many Grand Slam finals before dominating. Elon Musk saw rockets explode before reusable flights succeeded. Here's what kept them going: consistency, review, iteration. You might be down today. That doesn't mean you stay down. Every setup mastered, every lesson journaled, every risk managed compounds into progress. One more time, comment your setups, your tools, your wins and losses. How do you reinforce discipline in tough markets? How do you use your assistants, scripts, or journals? Your wisdom helps. In the meantime, I have completed my work. You can see the result on the screen. Subscribe. See you soon.